Meanwhile, Latanya Wilson, who along with her family were among at least 30 persons affected by fire suspected by the work of arsonists, is also hoping that the other families, the process of getting some much needed help will be expedited.
I can vouch for the others that are back home. They're still without a place, and as the minister said, that they are working to get them somewhere, and I would like the process to be a little bit quicker, faster for them, so that they can have somewhere again to call home and just to relax.
The other families are going to be receiving assistance through their Member of Parliament. And I will be in touch with the MP to get an understanding what will be done for them.
Minister of Sport Olivia Grange further elaborated on the matter.
But I want to use the opportunity to encourage our sports men and women that they should, or their family should, contribute to the National Housing Trust, to the National Insurance Fund. Once you are able to generate an income at any time, you can take a small portion of that and contribute to the fund and become eligible for assistance if ever you need it.